let us discuss the different arithmetic operators used in C language programming. So these are the most widely and commonly used arithmetic operators. A first one is addition, which is also known as unary plus and used to perform the addition of numbers. A second one is subtraction, also known as unary minus and mainly used to perform the subtraction of numbers. The third one is a multiplication operator used for the multiplication of numbers. The next is a division operator used to perform a division of number, and the last one is basically a modulo division, that is a modulus sign, which is again used to perform the division operation. Now the difference between the regular division sign and this modulo the sign is that the division, whenever we perform the division operation with the help of this divide sign, the result that we are getting is a quotient value, whereas when we use this modulus sign, the result we are getting is a remainder value. So consider the two variables, variable A and variable B, there with us with some initial value. For A we are assigning say simple value as a 17, and for B we are assigning a value suppose as a 4. And now when we are going to apply these arithmetic operators on this variable, we are going to get a result like this. So A plus B, the addition of these two variable values, that is 17 plus 4, the result we are getting is 21. A minus B, the subtraction of these two variable values, that is 17 minus 4, the result we are getting is 13. A multiplied with B, so 17 multiplied with 4, the result we are getting is 68. And when we use the simple divide sign, that is A divided by B, the quotient value we are getting as a result. So 17 divided by 4, the quotient value, the 4 we are getting as a result. Whereas for modulus division, A mod B, we are getting a remainder value which is 1 in this case. Now let us see the practical implementation of these arithmetic operators. Now consider this simple program. As said, we are using here the three different variables. The first variable is variable A with the value 17. The second variable is variable B with value 4. And the third variable is variable C, where we are going to store the result, right? And the data type for all these three variables is simple integer. That means now we are applying these arithmetic operators on the integer values or the variables with the integer data type. So just cross check how the things are going to work. So initially the value of A is 0, the value of B is 16 and the value of C is a 0. So whatever this value, that is A is equal to 0, B is equal to 16 and C is equal to 0, all the three values are mainly called as a garbage values. So go with execution, the first step. So when I am going to execute the first step, we are assigning value 17 to variable A, value 4 to variable B here. So now A is equal to 17, B is equal to 4. So the next operation, C is equal to A plus B. So 17 plus 4, the result 21 that we are getting and get assigned to variable C here. So when I am going to cross check it, the same result is reflected on the output window. Now for the subtraction operation, A minus B, that is 17 minus 4, and the result we are getting is a 13. So C is equal to A multiplied with B, so 17 multiplied with 4 and the result is 68. Now when I am going to use this simple divide sign, whatever the quotient value is there, that quotient value we are getting as a result, that is now 17 divided by 4, the result is 4, and get assigned to variable C here. And the next, so A mod B, so the reminder value, that is 1, is get assigned to variable C, and the same is now reflected onto this output window. So here is the result that we are getting at the or on the output window here. Now the one most important thing, that is this modulus sign cannot be used or applied on a variable whose data type is a float. Okay, so let us cross check this principle also. In this case, in this program, we have used the variable a, b and c with the data type as a integer. Now say I am going to change it from integer to float. Now I am there with the three variables, variable a, variable b and variable c, and all these three variables are having data type as a float. And now again cross check it, we will go for compiling a program. So during this compilation process, let me refer the logbook, we are getting a error. Where is that error? To this line, as this red square indicates, that is C is equal to A mod B. So what it indicate? Invalid operand to binary modulus sign here. Why? Because the data type for A is float and for B it is float, so we can't use or we can't apply this modulus sign onto a variable whose data type is a float. Say up to this point we are not getting any error, so these all the code get executed perfectly. That means addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, these operators work fine with the float data type, whereas we are getting an error for the simple modulus sign here. And this is a common phenomena that we have to remember. Whenever a variable with the data type as an integer divided by a variable with the data type as an integer, the result obtained is again integer. For integer divided by float, obtained result is float. Float divided by integer, obtained result is float. And float divided by float, the result obtained is again a floating point value.